What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and I can't lie, I've been looking forward to making this video for a very long time because it's probably the most annoying thing that I hear in car audio and the most hypocritical thing. But first, don't forget, guys, we're going to be taking the Tahoe to a bunch of different shows this year, but I also want you to tell me what shows you think I should take it to, because we want to be hitting some new shows this year. But some of the tried and true ones that we're going to be going to is the Incriminator Audio Show in North Alabama. We're going to be at that one. Slamology, obviously going to be at that one. mAdE Steel, Scraping the Coast. So these are the top 4 that we always hit. Oh, also the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Got to be there for that one. So alright, guys, if you are into car audio or you're on social media in the car audio space, you have seen this comment before, but it's made in China. You know how dumb this sounds. Every time that I read it, I'm like, this is the most hypocritical thing I can ever hear in car audio. These people that say that, okay, we'll look at the JP3 right here. Not all of our stuff is made in China, some of it's made in Korea, some in Vietnam, whatever. But they always want to say this part right here. But it's made in China. Okay. Get this. These people that say this are typing on a phone that's made in China. They're literally commenting on these posts on something that's made in China. You have a couple of different persons that do this. Some of them are, I only buy American made, I only want American made. And this statement goes as far as the price staying the same. They want something that's made in China to be made in the US for the same exact price, which is not going to happen. So they say this, I only buy American made. If you made it in America, I would purchase it. No, you would not. There's maybe 0.01% of the people that would pay 3 or 4 times as much for this same exact amplifier to be made in the United States. As soon as they realize, some of them will say, oh, I didn't know it was going to be that much more expensive. I'd like for it to be made in America, but I'm not going to be spending that much more money on it. Okay, there you go. Alright, then you have the other people that are like, it's made in China, it's garbage, it's not any good. Really? Do you really think we're going to just bring something in that's not going to be a ton of prototypes done, a ton of testing done before we purchase thousands of them? Come on, man. Like, it blows my mind how small-minded these people are. I don't know if they even think about what they're saying, or they just want to blurt something out on the keyboard or in person. It's made in China, it's going to be garbage. But they're typing it on a phone that's made in China. They're driving a vehicle that has tons of components inside of it that's made in China. Their home has tons of items in it that's made in China. Why does it not matter there, but they feel the need to put their 2 cents out there when it comes to an amplifier or a speaker being made in China? It literally blows my mind how illiterate these people can be, because it's okay for 99.9% of everything else in their life to be made in China, but when Down for Sound comes out with something, or any other brand that's not just Down for Sound, that's manufactured in China, they feel the need to, but it's made in China. Come on, do you know how immature and illiterate that sounds? Get out of here with that. Alright, so that's going to be this video. We just had the JP3 out, and it's obviously made in China. We don't hide where things are made. We tell you guys it's made in China. I mean, it's posted most of the time on the website, on the box. If the amp's made in Korea, whatever it might be, we let you guys know. We're not hiding anything. We tell you where it's manufactured at. So if you want to purchase a more premium amplifier, we have the Korean made amplifiers. But most of the time, even going from China built to Korean built, a lot of people don't even make the transition to that because they just want cheap. And that's fine if you want to be on budget. But anyway, that's going to be the conclusion of this video. Appreciate you joining me. Next time you see somebody saying, but it's made in China, tell them they're illiterate. They're not thinking through the whole scenario of what they're talking about, that everything in their home is made in China, or mostly everything, maybe not everything, but anyway, come on guys, let's get it together. If y'all need anything, hit us up, downforsoundshop.com. Your number one source for all your car audio needs, guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service, and we have a ton of different options for financing, so you can get the system of your dreams today, pay it back over time with no additional cost to you, as long as you pay it back within the given time that they give you. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.